Fresh Finish Painting #1 Painters in Logan, Utah. Fresh Finish Painting is one of the best painting companies in Logan, Utah. We provide a wide range of painting services, from interior painting to deck staining. We aim to have the highest client satisfaction of any painting company. Our activities and mindset are governed by 4 guiding principles. These fundamental principles include responsibility, superior materials, meticulous workmanship, and customer service. We are in constant contact with our clients both throughout and after the work has been finished to guarantee the highest level of satisfaction. We know how to paint, it's not just something we do. Our positive reputation is largely a result of our in-depth understanding of products and application techniques. Our experience working with a range of goods, surface materials, and ongoing personnel training have all contributed to our competence. We offer a free in-house color consultant available for every assignment who can assist you narrow down your color options and provide answers to all of your inquiries. A group of talented professional painters understands that your home is more than just a structure. Throughout the entire project, we respect your time and your space and work arduously to win your trust. If you would like to be in contact with us, you can call or text us at 435-254-4843. Our email is freshfinishpainting@gmail.com. Have a great day.